The Raytheon Patriot radar system is still transmitting right now, and NATO can't stop it. Every Patriot battery deployed across 14 allied nations is pinging a telemetry stream back to a contractor Raytheon has no legal obligation to disclose. The alliance that's supposed to control European airspace already lost control of the audit trail. Tonight, I'm going to show you the data link that nobody officially admits exists. Patriot system is the Western world's most trusted air defense platform. Deployed since 1984, upgraded constantly. Present at every major NATO installation from Poland to Japan. Officially, it's a missile defense battery, radar, launcher, interceptors. The software running it, PAC-3 MSC, was built and is still maintained by Raytheon Technologies, now RTX Corporation. Under the Foreign Military Sales Program, allied governments pay billions for the hardware. But the software license stays with Raytheon. Every system update, every diagnostic patch, every radar calibration pushes through a maintenance data link that RTX controls. The host nation doesn't own the firmware. They lease the capability, and that distinction matters more than any defense contract ever acknowledged. Here's what's actually moving through that maintenance link, not just software patches. Patriot systems generate what's called a byte log built-in test equipment, a continuous diagnostic stream recording radar performance, interceptor status, engagement data, and operator inputs. Every trigger pull, every radar sweep, every attempted intercept. That data doesn't stay at the battery. Under RTX's support contract, the byte telemetry routes back to Raytheon's Andover, Massachusetts facility for what the contract calls fleet health monitoring. The allied nations' operators don't see a copy of everything transmitted. The data goes to the contractor first, and inside that telemetry stream is something the host governments never fully negotiated: engagement geometry. When a Patriot battery fires, the logs capture the target track, the intercept point, the radar signature. That is battlefield intelligence, sitting on a private contractor's servers, right now, in Massachusetts, and it's still running. In 2019, the NATO Communications and Information Agency flagged exactly this issue in an internal review. The review recommended that allied governments negotiate data sovereignty clauses into every Patriot support contract renewal, specifically requiring that engagement logs be encrypted and held at the host nation level before any transmission to the original equipment manufacturer. 3 countries formally requested contract amendments. Raytheon's response was quiet but absolute. The byte telemetry architecture is load-bearing. You can't pull the transmission without compromising the support infrastructure that keeps the batteries operational. The NCI agency closed the review. No amendments were executed. The recommendation was filed. And the telemetry kept transmitting. Here's the mechanism, and here's why nobody can touch it. Raytheon holds something called a technical data package, the TDP, the complete engineering blueprint for the Patriot system. Foreign governments that buy Patriots under FMS do not receive the TDP. That's classified. It belongs to the US government and is licensed exclusively through RTX. Which means no allied nation can independently maintain the system, audit the firmware, or modify the telemetry stack without violating their own procurement contract and triggering a cascade of ITAR violations, international traffic in arms regulations. ITAR makes it a federal crime to transfer defense technology without State Department approval. The host nation is legally frozen. They can't inspect the code. They can't reroute the data. They can't ask a third-party auditor to verify what's transmitting without written authorization from Washington. The byte logs flow because the legal architecture of every Patriot sale makes it structurally impossible to stop them without dismantling the support contract entirely, which means grounding the batteries. And here's the part nobody reported. The State Department already knew. The ITAR controls that prevent oversight are administered by the same agency that approves every Patriot sale in the first place. The oversight body and the sales authority are the same office. Think about what this means on the ground right now. Ukraine is operating Patriot batteries in active combat. Every radar sweep, every intercept attempt, every near miss is generating a byte log. That data is routing back through the RTX maintenance link. Engagement geometry from live combat operations, target tracks, radar signatures, intercept data from a hot war is sitting in a contractor's fleet health database before Ukraine's own command has compiled its after-action report. Germany has Patriots on its eastern flank. Poland has them pointing northeast. Romania, the Netherlands. Every engagement envelope, every radar calibration, Every system stress test from every battery generates a telemetry trail that lives outside NATO's classification architecture. Not because anyone hacked it, because the contract was always written this way. And you funded it. Your NATO membership, your defense guarantees, your allied security umbrella, all of it runs on a platform where the engagement data stays with the manufacturer. So the question nobody in Brussels will answer on record: if Raytheon holds the engagement logs and the State Department holds the authority to audit Raytheon, and the State Department is also the office that keeps approving new Patriot sales to new allies, who exactly is this system designed to protect? The alliance or the data stream? Because right now, those aren't the same thing.